Assalamu alaikum, eighth graders. Today we're going to be working on multi-step equations, and I guarantee you it will be pretty short. Um, the assignment that is due for this video is going to be on Thursday, March 19th at 7 p.m. Great news. All you have to do is just copy the work that I'm going to do right here. It's only a few problems. It's only two problems in two parts each. And you're just going to copy down. And once you watch this video, and then just go ahead and submit it, inshallah. The class, when we get to class, we'll talk about some other things about your guys' project and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. So this is the problem that we had. We're still dealing with Michael and Hema. Remember, they were going to do fundraisers. They were supposed to wear hats and shirts and things like this, red shirts and red hats or whatever like this. So they're actually, this is the beginning part of it, which they were supposed to actually make a fundraiser. So we're going to learn more about it right here. So it says, Michael and Hema are planning the annual school fundraiser. They want to learn more. They want to earn more this year than they did last year. Last year, they earned $4,000. 80% of the earnings went directly to the school, and 20% was spent on the cost of the school. This year, they want $4,000 to go directly to the school. Okay? Write and solve an equation to find out how much more money they need to earn this year before paying the school. Okay? So I don't even know where to start. Let's see. So Michael and Hema are planning the school fundraiser. They want to earn more this year than they did last year. So last year they earned $4,000. Okay, I get that part. Last year they earned $4,000. 80% of the earnings went directly to the school. Okay, and 20% of the cost went to the fundraiser. Went to the cost of the fundraiser. This year, they want $4,000 to go directly to the school. So let's read A. It says, write and solve an equation to find out how much more they need to earn this year before paying the cost. So I'm going to do what? It should be 80% of this amount of money should equal 4,000. Right? Isn't that what it is? Because they want, so because 80% of how much they earn has to go to the directly to the school. So this is the amount that goes directly to the school, right? I think that's right. And whatever they make, this is the amount of money they make, which we don't know, right? Has to go directly to the school. Okay? So it wants us to write and solve. So I think that's it. So this is just 0.80x equals 4,000. How much they need before paying the cost. Yeah, before paying the cost. So if we solve this, we're just going to divide by 0.80. Divide by 0.80. X is equal to, and I'm going to use my calculator for this. So I get 4,000 divided by 0.8, which is $5,000. So they need to raise $5,000. I think, right? So they would have to raise $5,000 this year in order for them to get, what's it called? I don't get this. This is weird. This year they want $4,000 to go directly to the school. Okay, I understand that one. And 20% was spent on the cost of the fundraiser. Okay, so, okay. What is the total amount they need to earn this year? I don't know. What is the total amount they need to earn this year? $5,000, right? I don't know what they're asking. Let's go to. I'm gonna cheat. Don't tell anybody I cheat sometimes. But I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna look at the answer. Yes, I have answers sometimes because I don't get it sometimes. This one is kind of weird. If you don't understand something, you gotta ask. I'm not gonna lie to you and say I understand it fully. So we're gonna look. This is the performance task. So it says 4,000 times that is equals to 4,000. Oh, that's my equation and solved it. Equals $1,000. 4,000 and $1,000. I don't know. I mean, that's exactly what I had. I don't know. I did it a different way. So you know what? If you guys write this down, you guys are fine, right? My way, like I said. So I guess what they did was they said uh, zero point 0.8 times 4,000 plus X. What did they write? Let's see. Sorry to waste your guys' time. I hate that I waste your guys' time, but you guys need to learn anyways. I need to learn. I'm glad I got the right answer. But so they wrote zero point 0.8 times 4,000 plus X equals 4,000. Oh, okay. So right here, what they're trying to say is that you know that you're raising $4,000. You know you're raising $4,000. And then the amount of money that I don't know right here is X, right? So when you distribute it, you're gonna get 3,200 plus 0.8x. You subtract it and then you divide it, things like this. That'll tell you, oh, how much extra that we have to make. So I guess mine, oh yeah, mine doesn't tell you that. What I found was the total cost. I mean, what I found was the amount of money that I have to raise. But I think that's a lot easier because if you find out the amount of money you have to raise, and then you can just take away 4,000, right? And find it the other way. So just show this on your paper. You guys are fine. All right. Hopefully we do better on part 2. So it says Michael and Hema wanted to hire a professional DJ to play music during the event. DJ KC charges $100 plus $50 per hour. And then DJ Fab Fred charges $150 plus $30 per hour. Write an equation to find the number of hours at which DJ KC and DJ Fab Fred will charge the same amount. Solve your answer, your equation, and write the answer. Very easy. This one I know for sure we can do. So first, I'm going to set them up as equations. Y equals and Y equals. So this is KC. Okay, so KC charges $100 and $50 per hour. So $50 per hour is a rate. So we have 50x plus 100. And then for the other dude, which is Fab, right? This is Fab. He charges $30 an hour and just that 150 down payment, right? So my computer's kind of lagging right now. I don't know why. So all we're gonna do is just set it equal to each other to solve for it. So if you guys want to, because it says when would they charge the same amount? So this is the amount they charge, this is the amount he charges, and we could use substitution, right? We're gonna set them equal to each other. So we say 50x is equal to 30x plus 150. Okay, so over here, you guys should know, we'll call this the X side. We'll call this the number side. Okay, so from here, what are we gonna do? We're gonna, let's bring the X's over to one side. So we're gonna minus 30x, 20x plus 100 is equal to 150. So from here, what are we gonna do? Minus 100, 20x equals 50. Then from here, we divide by 20, divide by 20, x equals 2.5. So it would take them 2.5 hours for each one for them to have the same type of cost. If I wanted to find out how much they would cost, I would just plug in my x into my equation. So that's that. All you have to do is this. Even though I messed up on the first one, just copy it like that. At the end of the day, I still got the correct answer for B, and I found out how much total that they wanted to raise in a lot simpler way. So you guys can go ahead and copy this down. If you guys want, you guys can screenshot it or whatever like this. In class, we're just going to be, we're talking about the project. I want to make sure everybody kind of understands it, has it ready to be turned in. But other than that, hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow or something like this, inshallah, or on screen whenever you guys decide to watch it. As you can see, I'm already converting another video. It might take me a while to get that finished. So again, I apologize for not understanding that 100%, but it was good talking to you guys, and I'll see you guys later.